In this video, I'll show you how to find free Steam games that were otherwise paid. All you have to do is search SteamDB in Google, and you're going to find this website, steamdb.info. So what you want to do is go to the free promotions tab and select that, and then you'll see a list of games and DLCs here that says that they are free to keep. And mind you, these games are originally paid for, so these cost money to actually keep. So if you click View Store, it'll actually take you to the Steam store, and you can see that this one costs about $2.59 Canadian, and it's free. You just add it to your account, and it's free to keep until December 30th. Likewise, this Train Sim World. So if you view the store, you can scroll down, and then it's $51. That's a kind of expensive game, and it's given to you for free, just as long as you add it to your cart before January 5, 2026. So that is an easy way to get some free games, and it also tells you some potentially upcoming free games too. So you have Billy Wheelie and Untrusted, and actually I've played Untrusted in the past. So yeah, just the fact that it is free on Steam, that's kind of cool. So it tells you exactly what to expect in the future as well. So yeah, if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will get back to you with other free videos. Peace.